Hello, this is Patrick White from AA Commodities and Investments with your Monday, July 20th morning market update. At 7:45 a.m. here, we've got outside markets mixed here. The September S&P is down 4 points at 3210. The Dow is down 38 points at 26,482, and the Nasdaq is still leading the rally here, up 40 points at 10,662. Overnight here, the stock market is seeing some two-sided light trade. September S&P is continuing to trade around the 3,200 point level, and that last week traders were unable to break out above that 3220 resistance level, but they did test it and they did make a new high at 3223 before falling back. Traders are looking for that 3220 level to break here early this week if the uptrend is set to continue. So far, sell-offs down to 3190 have been supported by the market, and it looks like we're going to have a grinding higher action to start the week here. Grain markets are also mixed here overnight. We've got December corn down 3 cents at 336 and 3/4. November soybeans are up 3.5 cents at 898.5 in the November contract. The corn market is seeing some selling here to start the week. Beneficial rainfall over the weekend is keeping sellers in control here on Monday. There are also, there are more 1+ inch rains expected across the Midwest here this week, and we did see some decent coverage here last week. Traders will be watching the weather just to see how much rainfall we do end up getting here where we do see it. So far, coverage has been spotty, but we did have some areas, like the northern half of Illinois, get 1 to 2 inches of rain, and southern Indiana as well. The heat is expected to stand in for the majority of the Midwest, parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Indiana. However, I have yet to see a forecast for multiple days with highs above 95 degrees for many of those areas that would be hot enough to kill pollen. So I think by and large, the crop, it's going to be hot out there, but I don't think it's going to be too bad out there to see a widespread pollination issue at this point yet. At this point, the last couple of weeks, and the rains that we've seen, especially in the eastern side of the Corn Belt, unfortunately, there's just less of a weather risk at this time due to the recent good weather and the rainfall that's expected to come. So, soybeans are higher here to start the week. Soybean oil is leading the way higher as the August contract has rocketed above the $30 per barrel level overnight, and they're following world palm oil prices higher on lower production. Bean oil is back to where it was trading at in early March. Additionally, here, after last week's strong soybean buying spree by China, traders are expecting to see more flash sales and strong demand here early this week. Whether or not they see those demand and see those sales could determine what way we trade here early in the goings this week, as traders do have an expectation for better demand to continue going forward. So that's all I've got here for today. Have a productive day out there, and remember that there's significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give me a call at 712-262-7606.